Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best foldable craft table is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving solutions for crafters of all skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a hobbyist just starting out, this video will help you find the perfect foldable craft table to suit your needs and budget, covering everything from size and material to features and portability, so you can create your dream crafting space without sacrificing valuable space in your home or studio. Number 5. Best Choice Folding Sewing Table. It's more than just a sewing table, it's a craft station, a side desk, and so much more. Its versatile design adapts to your needs. Keep all your supplies organized and within reach. 2 rows of pegs, storage trays, and a large shelf provide plenty of room. Easily move it around on its convenient wheels. When not in use, it folds compactly to save space. Once you're finished crafting, simply close it up. It transforms into a stylish side table that fits any room. Made of sturdy MDF wood with metal hinges, it offers a wobble-free experience. Lockable wheels and magnetic doors keep everything secure. When open, it provides a large work surface. When closed, its compact size makes storage a breeze. Check the dimensions to ensure it fits your space. What we like? It boasts unparalleled storage with pegs, trays, and shelves. If you need a dedicated space for all your craft supplies and want easy mobility, this is perfect. Its compact design also makes it ideal for smaller spaces. What people say? The finish is really nice. Even the bottom edges of the door and sides are finished, nearly everything is really. Manual was really easy to follow and could easily be done by one person. The shelves are generous. I got rid of a bunch of patterns before my move, but with a few plastic bins, the inner shelf will be a nice storage area for the ones I kept and buy in the future. The shelves on the door are great and had room for my oft-used notions and then some. Number 4. WOHOMO Folding Desk. It's perfect for small spaces. At 31.5 inches wide, it fits easily in a home office, bedroom, or even a caravan. Unfolded, it provides ample workspace. Folded, it's incredibly compact. Folding and unfolding is a breeze thanks to the cleverly designed nylon buckle. This ensures stability when in use and easy storage when not. When folded, it's only 2.76 inches deep. It easily hides away behind a door, under a bed, or in any tight spot, keeping your room tidy. Weighing just 14.96 pounds, it's incredibly easy to move around the house. It's even travel-friendly, easily disassembled to fit in most vehicles. Assembly is a snap. All the tools and a detailed instruction manual are included. You can have it set up in minutes, and the triangular supports add extra stability. What we like? Its slim profile makes it perfect for small spaces. If you're looking for a desk that easily folds away when not in use, this is the one. Its lightweight design also makes it easily portable. What people say? It is easy to put together, and I did it all by myself within about 20 to 30 minutes. It is much cuter than just a boring folding table while also being compact and sturdy to use a computer on it. When it is not in use, it is easy to fold up and locks into the legs so it doesn't flop around while being carried or moved around. Easy to assembly, after that, very simple to fold and store if not in use. Good for putting my laptop, adds an additional desk space. Sturdy, lightweight. Number 3. MECO Stakmore Card Table. It's made of high-quality solid wood, so it's built to last and looks great doing it. This ensures years of use and adds a touch of elegance to your home. The timeless design will complement any room. It's perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to your gatherings. When it's folded, it's only 3.375 inches deep. You can easily store it away in a closet, under a bed, or against a wall. It's ready to use right out of the box. No assembly is needed, so you can start enjoying it immediately. Open, it provides ample space for games and gatherings. Folded, it's incredibly compact for easy storage. It's the perfect size for any occasion. What we like? This table is made of premium solid wood, offering durability and elegance. If you value quality materials and appreciate a classic design with effortless storage, this is for you. The no assembly feature is a huge plus for convenience. What people say. Excellent construction. Real wood, not cheap particle board. The cherry finish is very nice and is very close to much of the other wood furniture and woodwork in my home, so it fits right in. It folds up and stores easily against the wall. The legs collapse easily for storage and stay firm when set up. Very heavy and seems to be hard wood. Number 2. So Ready Foldable Table. It features a grid top and spacious tabletop, perfect for various creative projects. Its stylish design makes it a welcome addition to any craft space. It offers 2 slide-out mesh drawers and a lower shelf for convenient storage of your supplies. Keep everything organized and within reach while you work. Adjust the tabletop height from 29.75 to 38.75 inches to suit your needs and comfort level. It provides back relief during long projects. The powder-coated frame and thick tabletop ensure durability. It also includes 6 floor casters for easy mobility. With dimensions of 58.75 W x 36.5 D x 29.75 to 38.75 H, it easily folds to 12.25 W for compact storage. It's the perfect size for any space. This table has a weight limit of 50 lbs for the center bottom panels, 25 pounds for the side panels, and 15 pounds for the drawers. Make sure to distribute your supplies evenly. What we like? The grid top is perfect for precise cutting and measuring. If you need an adjustable height for comfort and convenience during crafting, this is your best bet. The handy drawers keep your supplies organized and within reach. What people say? The instructions are primarily diagrams, with just a little text. Anyone with little to no ability to assemble something, or anyone who doesn't generally do well following instructions, will find the instructions very easy to follow. It appears to be very well built. The engineered parts and inserts that the screws and bolts thread into were all perfectly placed and I had no trouble lining up or inserting anything. It's so compact. The lines match up on all the table parts. It seems sturdy, despite there just being the one angled part holding the wings open. The wheels lock. Number 1. Best choice folding dining table. It's more than just a dining table. Use it as an office desk, craft table, or side table. It adapts to your needs. This table is built to last, with quality engineered wood and metal. It can easily hold up to 100 pounds. Keep everything organized with its handy side cubby and 3 shelves. It's perfect for storing dishes, napkins, and more. The built-in wheels and metal handle make it simple to move and store. Enjoy effortless mobility and space-saving convenience. Its compact design is perfect for smaller spaces. The tabletop locks securely, open or closed, preventing any unwanted movement. It measures 52 L x 31.5 W x 30.5 H inches and can hold up to 100 pounds. It's the perfect size for any room. What we like? This table is incredibly versatile, suitable for dining, crafting, or working. If you need a sturdy and spacious table with ample storage for various items, this is the ideal choice. Its easy mobility is also a great advantage. What people say? The storage underneath is spacious. Dishes, cans, place settings. The functional storage is overall a huge plus. It can be a narrow little side table, a small dining table, or a huge crafting table, depending on your needs. The storage underneath is extremely useful, and the wheels make it easy to put it where you want it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.